This is a redneck redo. All right, so what we got here? We got a little Stormtrooper. He's about $6, I believe. Now, I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. It's a good figure. It's got a lot of detail. It's cheap, but I'm gonna give maybe 8 out of 10. It's a good figure. Got a lot of detail. The only thing about it is the arms and legs. The torso pivots and the arms go up and down, and that's it. So it's got a pretty good look to it, but it's like $6-7 for a figure. $6-7. It doesn't really move. Not that great as far as the moving goes, but it is got a lot of detail and it's not too expensive. So 8 for 10 for that one, for the Stormtrooper.